As far
With the freaking record.
and
Cut!
it's me, Mario, MRA, Passive Income Playbook. And guys, it's me, it's Mario, Passive Income Playbook. I just messing around. Hey, today we got an interesting show for you. We're talking about some Dogecoin, and we're talking about Shiba. The Dodge against the Shiba. Who's gonna win? Well, I tell you what, if I was driving my Dodge, it'd run over that little Shiba. But we're not driving no Dodge, are we? We're talking about a growling beast that wants to fight. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. The Dodge against the Shiba. Do you guys have any Dogecoin? Do you have any Shiba coin? I'll tell you what, I had some Shiba coin and I let it go, man. And I feel like an idiot. Because you know what? If I still had that coin, I tell you, I made some money. I made some money during the pandemic. I went ahead and bought me some of that Bitcoin. And guess what? In 3 months, boom, I had $3,000 and I didn't invest that much. So, you know, you got to do your due diligence, do your homework. Because let me tell you something. These coins, what's so great about them is this. Don't look at them like a competition. Oh, do I want the Dogecoin? Do I want the Shiba coin? Oh, I'm going to join the Shiba army. We're going to kill the Doge people. No. It's like this, all right? Each one has their own purpose. And each one can do what the other one can't do. So the beautiful thing about it is you utilize them and you hold on to them. And then you use it for this and you use it for that. And guess what? You're in control of your coin. You're in control of your money. So don't take that and think that you're okay just by leaving it into the computer. No, put it on the thumb drive or something, because once it's gone, it's gone. If somebody snags it, later, they got your money. You know, another thing is, you got to realize this. Since the Roman days, all the way back to the Roman days, the monetary system has been around. The governments control the money. This crypto thing that's going on, they haven't put a crack in the foundation of the monetary system. And if you guys know anything about this, leave some comments in the chat line where it says comments. And I will get back to you and we will discuss this. I will bring it up. Yes, I will. You know why? Because it's important, because you want to talk about it. I want to talk about it. I'm excited about cryptocurrency. It's awesome. The government doesn't have control of it. We, the people, have control of it. Hey, think about the little man over there in Africa. Think about the man in South America, in the jungles. They can't just run to the bank. No, but they can get on their cell phone and they can send some cash, or you can send some cash to them. You know what I'm saying? Try take 100 pounds of gold to England and see how much it costs you. It's gonna cost you an arm and a leg. With cryptocurrency, boom, wham, bam, it's there. It's right there. I mean, come on. You complain. People are complaining. Oh, the prices are high. Oh yeah, you see how much it costs this with gold. Then you talk about some high prices. Another thing, you know, I knew this was gonna happen. I knew that it was gonna stick around. You wanna know why? Because I'll tell you why. Whatever goes forward very rarely ever comes back and stays back. No, we put the crack in the monetary system like cement. All right, you put a crack in cement, what happens? The crack keeps on getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It gets wider, it gets bigger, and guess what? It's here to stay. It ain't going nowhere. Why do you think the government themselves is going ahead and making their own crypto? How many of you knew that? I knew this years ago. Why? Because China's doing it. Why? Because Russia's doing it. Why? Because it makes sense. Stop cutting the trees, people. See what I'm saying? Stop cutting the trees. Oh, stop driving that truck. Stop driving that truck 2,100 miles to bring me some paper that you cut down the trees. And we got pollution by this stuff. What else is wrong with it? Oh, wait, it costs us a lot of money. Money's dirty, too. Ooh, put that money in your mouth. Try to put a Bitcoin in your mouth. Try to put a Dogecoin in your mouth. You can't do it. You know why? Because it's in the computer system. You're going to put some electricity in your mouth, I guarantee you. Don't take that serious. But seriously, think about it. It's healthy for the environment. It's healthy for you. Of course, you're going to say something. Oh, it costs so much electricity to make the coin and to run the coin. Well, guess what? Electricity, we could get it for free if people would just release the inventions that Tesla made. Electricity don't cost nothing. It comes out of the ground. It comes out of the sky. But what? Here we go again. Who controls it? The government. How come there's a monopoly on PG&E? Let's talk about that one, huh? Whoa, come back, Mario, come back. Let's get back over here. Get out of left field. You know what I'm saying? But I almost went there. Let's just stay with the Dogecoin and the Bitcoin today. We'll talk about that PG&E later. That's a monopoly! Of course it is. I can't have a monopoly. No, you can't have a monopoly, but they can. You understand what I'm saying? So this is what we're going to talk about. Like, subscribe, and tell me what you think about this stuff, huh? Now, on to the Bitcoin. Oh, wait, we're not even talking about Bitcoin. But we should. You know why? It just hit 69, baby. 69. And guess what? It's going to go to 100. You know what's going to happen after it goes to 100? It's going to go to 200. And before you knew it, wham, bam. Oh, man, you wish you had some. Hey, it's the electronic gold. Believe me, it's electronic gold. Hey, you know what? Here. That's for you, Bitcoin. Oh, that's some good root beer. Yeah, but think about that one, huh? Let me tell you guys something, all right? And you ladies, I'd like to tell you something too. We need some people to just go out there and take the time to learn the language. Learn the language. Understand the language. If you don't understand the language, you're not going to understand what the coins can do for you. Take it one by one. Don't go out there buying a bunch of coins. No. Study one. I'll tell you. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Shiba, Dodge, Cardano. Let's see. Where's another good one? I know there's some other good ones out there, but those are the ones that I'm concentrated on. What are the ones that you're concentrated on? Share, like, and subscribe. Tell us which ones you like, huh? And if I ain't making no sense, tell me, hey, Mario, shut the hell up. You don't know what the hell you're talking about. And I'll say, hey, neither do you. Do any of us know what we're talking about? Hey, you know why the sky's blue? I'll tell you why the sky's blue.